Sometimes it can be quite tedious to come up with good questions for a test based on content of a given module. That's why we recently added this AI-based new feature to our learning management system, which creates progress and competency-based checks automatically for you. Let's take a look at how this new feature works. In a given module, go to the chapter you want to add a progress check, click the drop-down menu and select Add Progress Check. This will bring you to the Progress Check editor. Now here this shiny new button appears, labeled, Generate Questions with AI. Click on it. A new pop-up opens. Select the number of questions you want to be created and simply click on OK. This will take a moment. When it has finished its calculations, all the questions are shown here for you to check. Just deselect the ones you don't want in the module and click on OK. Click on Apply, and we are done.